Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about euro against dollar. Before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you'll find some links. Check them out. You can join the Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. Check out the brokers, and the link which I want to mention is this monthly membership. If you want the maximum benefits from your trading, gold trading or this Forex trading, you can go and check out the monthly membership as well. For now, subscribe and like. Coming back to Euro USD, let's start with the weekly chart as a top-down approach. In weekly, we have started the trend reversal, so we are down. It might take a while before the weekly chart crosses the EMA, but it's a trend reversal. That's what experienced traders get to know. Okay, then we go back to daily. In daily, we're going to cross the EMA hopefully maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, because this is a pullback only. So today it will be a pullback, then we're going to go down, or it can cross the EMA even by tonight. Okay, so we are in the downtrend. You can see downtrend with pullback, new low, pullback, new low, and now we are taking a pullback. Okay, so let's go back to 4 hour to give you the trading opportunity. Right now what's happening is new low, pullback, new low, and we are in a pullback now. Use your fib levels from here until here in the downtrend, then wait for the pullback. After pullback, go down with 1:2 ratio. That's your trade. That's your free trade for today. Okay, if you like what you see, make sure to subscribe and like. Okay, so confirmation is we are in the downtrend. Look for shorts only, but that's the pattern, isn't it? We are recording the video, and maybe when you're watching the video, the opportunity might have been gone. We don't know. Okay, so I record the video at some point of time, you watch them at a different time, and we enter live trades maybe at a different time. So if you want some live action, make sure you join the monthly membership where we can send you live signals and updates. For now, subscribe, like, share the video with your friends who are into trading, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care.